is
2.
2. And I have to, what more is given?
Vector A into vector B is equals to root 6.
Yes, students, you should not speak into, you should say either dot or cross, right? Because vector product is of two kinds, dot product or cross product. So there is no into word. Now dot, a dot b vector is root 6, and angle between them is to be found. So what formula is to be applied, Dev? There is a formula for a dot b, so apply that. What is that? A dot b equals to
Cos theta.
ab cos theta. And if you apply this, root 6, this is the value of a dot b, a is root 3, b is 2, cos theta you can obtain very easily. Cos theta will be root 6 upon 2 root 3. Root 6 you can write root 2 root 3, and this root 2 also will get cancelled, 1 upon root 2. So theta will be how much, Dev? Theta will be 45 degree. Dev, inactive. You are not listening, Dev Sharma is not there, it seems. So students, finding the angle with this formula. Dev, are you there listening?
Yes sir, वो by mistake गलती से cancel हो गया था.
हाँ वही 45 डिग्री बहुत आसानी से आ जाएगा. ठीक है, तो इजी क्वेश्चन, और क्वेश्चंस इजी ही है, बस छोटे 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 कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं जो कि सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के दौरान हम उनको लर्न करेंगे. एंड दिस इज yes, Aditi Tomar. I can see Aditi Tomar and Adil on screen. Their names are appearing. Adil, Harsh, Harsh. I can see. Will you read the next question? Question number 2.
Yes, sir. एक minute.
Aditi Tomar's voice. It was, I think. Yes. Again, I am getting a feeling that people are not ready with their notebook or textbook. If you are not ready, then there'll be no proper learning. So without textbook, there is no learning. Without notebook, there is no learning. So please sit with a notebook and textbook. Aditi Tomar, it seems your textbook was not ready. I have a serious doubt whether you are writing or not.
No, sir. I'm going somewhere.
Huh?
Sir, स्वेटर पहन रही थी, ठंडी लग रही थी. Sorry.
Yes, so I request, that is what I'm saying. This must be condition of each and everyone who is present in this meeting. I request you all that be active, energetic. You are young kids, you are energetic people. So be very energetic and sit with a notebook and textbook. If I say speak out question number 2, you should be ready in seconds, right? Aditi Tomar, question 2.
Find the vector equation of a plane which is at a distance of 7 units from the origin and normal to the vector.
Aditi Tomar. Making such mistakes is not forgivable. You are opening 11.2 exercise. This is what I am saying, that the whole class is out of the track, it seems. I can get a feeling that people are totally inactive, dull, and not responsive.
So sorry, find the angle between the vectors I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector and 3I vector minus 2j vector plus
Wait,
k vector.
wait, let me write. Yes. First vector.
I vector
Hmm.
minus 2j vector plus 3k vector.
And
Second, 3I vector minus 2j vector plus k vector.
so it means you were not writing. You didn't open the notebook or textbook. Aditi? Now are you writing? Now have you started solving?
Yes, sir.
Then I will ask you the questions that you should respond. At least the very basic ones like reading the question. I have to find the angle between them. So how to get the angle between them? Students, to find the angle between them, the same formula can be applied, right? A dot B equals to AB cos theta. And to find out A dot B, what should I do? You know, when the components are given, A dot B can be calculated by A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. Means multiply their respective components and add them. So what will come, students? A dot B, how much?
10.
No, first let me write fully how to write A dot B. Its multiplier is 1, its multiplier is 3. So 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to magnitude A. How much is the magnitude A? Root of,
Root 14.
yes, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, like that, into root of magnitude B is 3 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square into cos theta. Give a simplification and this will become 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is 10 is equal to root 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 14, root 14 into root of, this also is root 14 into cos theta. So cos theta will become how much from here? Cos theta will be 10 upon 14 or 5 upon 7, which means that theta will be cos inverse 5 upon 7. Aditi Tomar, is this right answer? Aditi, is this right?
Yes, sir.
Let us move towards next question. Question number 3. Pratham, will you read question 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please read question number 3.
Find the projection of vector I cap minus j cap on the vector I cap plus j cap.
Okay. So question 3 is find the let vector A is I cap plus j cap.
I cap minus j cap.
I cap minus j cap. And the other vector is I
I
cap
cap plus j cap.
plus j cap. So they are asking projection of vector A on vector B, and there is a formula. Pratham, do you remember? There is a formula for projection of vector A on vector B. Do you remember? No? Anyone else? Do you remember the
A
formula?
dot B. A dot B vector upon B.
Yes, A dot B upon magnitude B. There is a formula for projection of A on B. A dot B upon B. So apply this formula. A dot B, how to get? By doing like this. A dot B, as here we have calculated this formula. That what you do, you take both the vectors, their corresponding components, you multiply and add them together. So this is going to be 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 whole upon B magnitude, which is 1 square plus 1 square root. This is 0. So
Sir, 0.
0. Projection is 0 equal to 0. This is. So formula we have applied, that's it. Right. It was question number 3. Question number 4 की तरफ move करते हैं. Manu Pratap, will you read question 4?
Yes,
Manu?
sir.
Yes, please
sir.
read. Question 4.
Find the projection of the vector I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap.
I
On
cap
the-
plus 3j cap plus
7 cap.
7k cap.
7k cap. On the vector 7 I cap minus j cap plus 8k cap.
8k cap. Same like previous, is it? Manu? Projection only we have to find, no? Manu Pratap?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So projection, you tell me, you speak and I will write. Projection of vector A on vector B will be, formula is A dot B
A dot B upon B.
B. So what should I write? You know, A dot B कितना हो जाएगा? 1 into 7 फिर plus 3 into
-3 into 1
-1 plus
is 7 into 8
whole upon
under root 7 square plus -1 square plus 8 square.
वेरी गुड. इसको कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. दिस इज गोइंग टू बिकम 8 7 is 56 minus 3 53 plus 7 53 plus 7 is 60 whole upon 49 plus 1 is 50 50 plus 64 कितना?
Root 114.
Yes, root 114. है ना? Root 114 is a multiple of what? 2 into how much? 57.
2 root 14, sir.
हाँ हाँ 14 into it will be 60 upon this I can write 2 into 57 and 57 is नहीं 67. This is right, no? Is this answer, students, or should I simplify it further?
Sir 114 में
No,
दे
sir.
रखा है,
114.
में ही दे रखा है बस.
अच्छा ऐसे ही दिया है आंसर, है ना? यही आंसर है. सही है, करेक्ट है. चेक कर लीजिए प्लीज.
Yes,
सही
sir.
है.
Correct.
ओके सो
हाँ सर करेक्ट है.
ओके सो इस दिस क्वेश्चन. सो आप स्टूडेंट्स एक बार फिर से कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि वर्क सिंपल है. फॉर्मूला बस एक था a डॉट बी अपॉन बी, उसका यूज है. और भी छोटे छोटे काम है, और ये सारे छोटे छोटे काम जो है आपको एक साथ जब करने पड़ेंगे तो कुछ हेडेक जैसा लग सकता है. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू दैट कीप राइटिंग, कीप सॉल्विंग विद मी, कीप आंसरिंग, है ना? सारी बातें समझ में आ जाएंगी. सहजबीन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th सॉरी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th, विल यू रीड
Yes, sir.
प्लीज?
Show that the each of the given three vector is unit vector.
हाँ
1 by 7 bracket 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 6 k cap, comma
2i plus 3j
plus 6 k.
plus 6k. Okay.
Then b equals to 1 by 7
1 by
7
7. हाँ
3 I cap minus 6 j cap plus 2 k cap. Then c equals to 1 by 7 6 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap. All,
plus 2j cap
yes, sir, minus 3 k cap.
3k cap.
Also show that they are perpendicular to each other.
Also showed that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. So check vectors I have written are correct, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So I have to first show that they are each one is unit vector. Unit vector के लिए हमको उनका मैग्नीट्यूड निकालना पड़ेगा, and वो बनाना चाहिए, तो प्रूव हो जाएगा कि these are unit vector. And the other thing is that we have to show that each two are mutually perpendicular. So you show A is perpendicular to B. Perpendicular means cos theta should be 0, and cos theta should be 0 means A dot B should be 0. ठीक है? So for perpendicularity condition is that A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 should be equal to 0. ठीक है? ये है perpendicularity condition. Similarly, parallelness condition is that their components should be in same ratio. This is the condition for two vectors to be parallel. है ना? So let me first prove that they are unit vectors. So let us find magnitude of A vector. So magnitude of A vector will be root of 2 by 7 whole square plus 3 by 7 whole square plus 6 by 7 whole square. 1 upon 7 square out of root you can take, and 1 upon 7 it will become. Inside you will get 4 plus 9 plus 36. How much it is? 36 plus 13, 49. Root 49 upon 7. This is equal to 1. 7 upon 7. So modulus A is 1. Similarly, modulus of B vector you can find out. B vector will be 3 upon 7 whole square plus minus 6 upon 7 whole square plus 2 upon 7 whole square. This you find, and magnitude of C vector also you find, which will become 6 upon 7 whole square plus 2 upon 7 whole square plus minus 3 upon 7 whole square. This also you find and calculate. I hope it should come 1. Then it will be proved that they are unit vectors. Now we have to show that each two are perpendicular. So you can take A dot B. You can take A dot B. So A dot B, so this will come 1. You can bring it 1. Then A dot B, if you find, it will be 2 by 7 into 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7 into minus 6 by 7 plus 6 by 7 into 2 by 7. So 1 upon 49 out. In the bracket you will have 6 minus 18 plus 12. 12
Sir,
plus
0,
6.
0.
Huh?
0.
0. This will be 0. So it means what? Their dot is 0. It means A is perpendicular to B vector. Right? But इसी तरह मुझे B is perpendicular to C भी prove करना है और C is perpendicular to A also I have to prove. Let us do that. B dot C, let us find out. B dot C will be, multiply the respective component. This is B, this is C. 3 by 7, 7 will get multiplied inside. So 3 by 7 minus I plus minus 6 by 7 J plus 2 by 7 K हो जाएगा ये. So 3 by 7 into 6 by 7 minus 6 by 7 into 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7 into minus 3 by 7. And this is going to be 18, 1 upon 49 out, minus 12 plus 6. This is also
0. Yes, sir. 0.
0 हो गया, minus 6 it is. So this also is 0. So B is perpendicular to C, and C dot A you can find out. It will be C 6 by 7 into 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7 into 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 into 6 by 7. So this will become 1 upon 49, 12 plus 6 minus 18. This also is become 0. So C
Yes, sir,
vector
0.
is perpendicular to A vector. So all the three vectors are mutually perpendicular. So you can write a line, what the language of the question is there, that all are unit vector and all are mutually perpendicular. Right. So this was question number 5. Please do complete in your notebook. Keep writing, my dears. Again and again I am saying. Khushi Lodhi, will you read question next, 6th question? Khushi Lodhi. Khushi Lodhi seems to be inactive. Sneha Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Khushi Lodhi, will you read the next question, 6th? I don't know whether you have textbook or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question number 6, please.
Find
Yes, please. Yes.
mod A and mod B
Okay.
if
Keep speaking in a free flow voice.
A vector plus B vector dot
बोलिए बोलिए.
A vector minus B vector
आप बहुत रुक रुक के बोल रहे हैं.
is equals to 8
बिल्कुल भी मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Yes. Equals to 8. Then
and
8 plus 6. 8 plus 6.
8 plus 6 is equals to 16.
16. 16 plus 6 is 24. 24 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 plus 6 is 24.
mod of A
इतना स्लो मोशन में
is
क्यों बोल
equal
रही
to
है? Mod of A is equals to 8 of mod B.
yes sir.
Hmm? Yes, Khushi, are you writing?
Yes sir.
Good, good. Yes. So stay connected, and I will ask you more questions in next questions. Yes. So how to begin? Any suggestion? Khushi Lodi, any suggestion? How to begin? Or anyone else in the class? How to begin? They are asking modulus of A and modulus of B you find, and they have given these two things. So how to begin?
सर कुछ नहीं, a प्लस बी और a माइनस बी का डॉट
सर
प्रोडक्ट को सॉल्व करते जाओ, खोलते जाओ,
सर
इजिकल टू a
ए
रख के।
प्लस बी माइनस ए माइनस बी
Yes.
करेंगे सर।
Yes, Devyansh. Yes, Adil. Yes. Solve
और फिर
करेंगे.
सर वो और फिर मॉडुलस ऑफ a दे रखा है 1, तो एक वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी और बाकी निकल जाएगा।
निकल जाएगा। शुरू करते हैं, ये यहां से इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, ब्रैकेट ओपन कर देते हैं, ठीक है। तो a डॉट a, इफ यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट दिस विल कम माइनस a डॉट b, ठीक है। डॉट यू प्लीज मेक प्रॉपर, प्लस b डॉट a माइनस b डॉट b इज इक्वल टू 8, राइट। अब एक चीज का हमें पता होना चाहिए, दैट्स a डॉट a इज a स्क्वायर। This you should know. A dot A is actually a cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So a square it is. This you keep in mind. And also keep in mind that this we have written also, that A dot B is same as B dot A. A dot B is same as B dot A. So A dot B and minus A dot B and B dot A will get cancelled. And this A dot A will be A square or modulus A square, whatever you want, you can write. Minus B dot B will be modulus of B whole square equals to 8. Right? Now what can be done? This is given, that modulus of A is given 8 times modulus of B. So put it here, 8 times modulus of B and to whole square. है ना? Whole square भी है. Minus mod of B square equals to 8. This will become 64 mod B square minus mod B square. It will become 63. So modulus of B square is equal to 8 upon 63. ठीक है? So this is modulus of B. If I take a square root, mod of B will be root of 8 upon 63. Can I simplify?
यस सर।
I should write 4 into 2, and I should write 9 into 7. Then 4 upon 9 outside the root I can take 2 by 3 root of 2 by 7. Check the answer. Modulus B, is this right?
यस सर, यस सर।
And modulus of A will become 8 times of modulus of B. It means that it will become 16 upon 3 into root of 2 by 7.
यस सर, करेक्ट।
ओके, करेक्ट। तो ये मैंने बस ब्रैकेट्स ओपन कर दी, है ना। और a डॉट a इज मॉडुलस ऑफ a स्क्वायर, इसको हम और भी जगह पे यूज करेंगे, तो इसको ध्यान रखिएगा, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया। दिव्यांश जंगम, आर यू देयर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 विल यू रीड? ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन। यस दिव्यांश।
Evaluate the product 3a minus 5b dot 2a plus 7b.
क्या क्या फिर से बोलना। हाँ।
Evaluate the product 3a minus 5b bracket close dot 2a plus 7b.
2a plus 7b. Yes. Anything given? Or that much only?
Sir, that much only.
Okay. So I have to evaluate the product, means open the bracket. So open dot. So this will become 3 into 2, 6a dot a minus 5 into 2, 10b dot a plus 3 into 7, 21a dot b, है ना, minus 5 into 7, 35b dot b. Note that A dot A is A square, so 6 of magnitude A square minus ये दोनों equal होते हैं. A dot B is same as B dot A, so it will be minus 11 A dot B. Plus का plus 11 A dot B minus 35 modulus of
minus
A square.
35 b modulus b square.
Yes, है ना. और चूंकि modulus of A और modulus of B की कोई वैल्यू तो given नहीं है, तो I think we have to leave it here, है ना.
या फिर नहीं था कि
Yes, correct. Let us move towards the next question. Sneha Sharma, are you listening me? Question 8, will you read? No, Sneha Sharma, it seems not there. Nandini Chaudhary, will you read question 8? Question 8. Nandini Chaudhary is also inactive as usual. Mohit Sharma will read question 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mohit.
Find the magnitude of two vectors A and B having the same magnitude and such that the angle between them is 60 degree.
Okay, 1 minute. Having same magnitude means magnitude A is equal to magnitude B. This is given. And what else? What next one?
And such that the angle between them is 60 degree.
Angle between them is 60 degree, right?
And their scalar product is 1 by 2.
Scalar product. Scalar product means, dot. Scalar product
sir.
means dot. So A dot B is equal to 1 by 2. So what should I do, Mohit? A dot B का फॉर्मूला होता है, अप्लाई कर दे.
ए बी cos थीटा.
ए बी cos थीटा. वो मुझे ये दिया ही है ना, तो ए बी cos थीटा, चाहे आप ए लिखिए चाहे मॉड ऑफ ए वेक्टर लिखिए, वो एक ही चीज है. और ये मुझे गिवन है कि बी और ए दोनों इक्वल है, तो ए इंटू कॉस एंड थीटा इज ऑल्सो गिवन विच इज 60 डिग्री. एंड यू नो वेल दैट cot 60 is 1 by 2. So a square is equal to 1, which means a is also equal to 1 and the same will be equal to b. So magnitude of a and magnitude of b will be 1 only. Both will be unit vector, right? Ankit Baresha, will you read next 9th question? I hope this is clear to all. Simply dot product formula I have used. है ना? Right, students? Ankit?
Yes,
Ankit, समझ में आ रहा है? Are you writing? Are you writing, Ankit?
Yes, sir.
Good. 9th question, please read.
Sir, एक second, sir.
Yes. Ankit is taking time.
Sir. Sir,
What
find
time? हाँ बोलिए.
find mod x
Hmm.
if for a unit vector
Hmm.
x minus a x plus a equal to 12.
Okay. So can you repeat the question? I have to find out mod of x vector.
Yes,
If-
sir.
If
If for a unit vector
a is unit vector, mod of a is 1.
yes,
And-
sir.
And what?
X minus a
Vectors है ना? X minus a
dot
bracket it is
yes, sir.
dot
X plus a
x plus a
equal to 12.
equal to 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So bracket open कर दी जाए, है ना? So
Yes,
if I
sir.
open the bracket, what will come, Ankit?
X
you-
dot x
Yes, keep speaking.
plus x dot a minus a dot x minus a dot a.
बिल्कुल equal to 12. अब x dot x को मैं क्या लिख दूं?
X square.
Yes, x square या modulus x square जो भी चाहे. और ये cancel out हो जाएगा x dot a and minus a dot x because they are
Yes,
equal.
sir.
और minus magnitude a square equal to 1. Magnitude a is given 1
Yes, sir.
and यहाँ पे हमारा modulus x का value आ गया.
Root 13.
हाँ, root 13 plus minus. Sorry, magnitude तो negative होगा नहीं.
Yes,
So
sir.
only root 13. Yes, correct. So all the students, you please complete because things are quite simple, but you have to write. So until you write, you don't get the confidence. So please Keep writing, keep solving, keep matching your answer. It was question number 9th. Let us move towards question number 10th. Have a look. Someone of the class, Arpita. Arpita, will you read question 10th?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please read.
If A vector is equals to 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap,
2i plus 2j plus 3k, yes.
B vector is equals to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, and C vector is equals to 3i cap plus j cap are such that A vector plus lambda B vector is perpendicular to C vector.
Okay,
Then find the value of lambda.
right. So a plus lambda b vector will be equal to, let us put the value, 2i plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda times 3i plus j. I, j, k common. So I common if you take, you will get 2 plus 3 lambda, plus j common if you take, you will get 2 plus lambda plus 3k. This is a plus lambda I, lambda b. Then since a plus lambda b is perpendicular to C vector, it means that their dot will be 0. A plus lambda b dot product with C vector will be 0. So Arpita, what should be their dot product if I take? This is my A plus lambda b and this is C. I have made a mistake, I think. Instead of let me correct it. A is 2i plus 2j plus 3k and b is minus I plus 2j plus k. So I, if I take common, 2 minus lambda plus j common, 2 plus 2 lambda plus k common, 3 plus lambda. Arpita, what will be dot of these two, dot product of these two? This and this.
I2 minus lambda plus j 2 plus lambda plus k 3
कितना
plus lambda.
कितना कितना दोनों का डॉट इन और इनका आई के मल्टीप्लायर्स मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. सो
Yes.
बोलो बोलो. है ना, प्लस 0 वो है ही नहीं, इक्वल टू 0 बिकॉज दे आर परपेंडिकुलर. ठीक है, corresponding multipliers of I you have to multiply. Now if you simplify, what will come? 6 minus 3 lambda, sorry, 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 2 lambda equal to 0. So 8 equals to lambda, is it? 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus lambda equal to 0, it means lambda is equal to 8. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right answer? Yes. Hello, I hope it should be right. Lambda equals to 8. You please check. This is the answer I have written. So it was question number 10th. So in this exercise, we have completed till question 10th. We shall continue on the next turn, the next question. I request you again and again for one thing, that please keep your work complete so that